Hello everyone, this is KinCony IoT. This video I will show you how to use mobile phone control one relay controller, and also you can control many different channel relay controller. This is 32B. I just take example for one user and two user and three user how to work and control relay on and off at the same time. This is KinCony smart home application. We can open this. This is my account. I have link with this controller. I can input my password for test. You can see there are many H32 controller in one window. This is my office, this one, and you can see I can turn on and turn off the relay, and turn on and turn off the relay. Okay, now I will tell you how to let these two mobile phones also can use this device. Because this is my account, this is must, just this is administration. So this two one just like a user. You can set, we can see this is setting and authority user. So you can show your device for these two mobile phone, but these two mobile phone need register account. So we can see maybe this is your wife and this is your daughter, and you can open the application and register like this. I can register, input a account name like 202101. This account name is 202101, and the password 123456, and also is 123456. Okay, submit. Register successfully. Okay, now you can see I can let you use this mobile phone. This is must. You are webmaster. So you can enter the 2021 and 01, add to the list, just like this. Okay, you can see 2021 0, and now you can use your mobile phone 2021 0. And the password is 123456, and login. You can see this list already have this. You can see this device always showed this account, so you can directly to use, not need to configure again. Like this, I can turn on and turn off, turn on and turn off. And you can also use this mobile phone like output 4. You can see I can turn on output 4 and refresh. You can see output 4 is open, and I can close. The relay is off, and I can drop down, refresh. This is closed. Okay. Now, if you want to use the third mobile phone, also use controlling this device, so you can also register an account like this. This is a new mobile phone, so I can register enter account 202102, and the password 123456 and 123456. Submit. Okay, successfully. And now we can use your must account to show the device, and also setting, and this input the sub account 202102 and press OK. Now there are two sub accounts, so now I can use the third mobile phone 2021 02 and the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 and the login back skip, and you can see this is the device as seen as this device on the main window. So I can use Office and turn on like this. I can use these 3 mobile phone. Maybe your family have 3 mobile phone, or you can use 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you use 10 mobile phone also no problem. I can like this to update release date. You can see I can turn on release 5. Release 5 turn on and just refresh. And release 5 and turn on 6 and also refresh 6 and refresh 6. If I can turn on the light output 7, but if you have in this main window, you just enter the window will update the state like this. I can just like this. You can see the release 7 is already turned on, so you not need always drop down to refresh. Just when you turn on relay, and you can change the room. It will auto update like this. Auto update the state for all mobile phone. Okay, this is how to guarantee the 2 different or many different mobile phone for the master account. And now you can see, you can back and you can go to my and the setting, and you can see no permission. So the sub account can't do setting just for turn on and turn off relay. Just for turn on and turn off relay. So this is different rights. And if you want use let these 2 mobile phone never use again, maybe you have a testing and not sure you want to show you the device for this 2 mobile phone, so you just we can see I can close my application and I can go to this way and setting and user and like this delete. And you can see this is empty. If this is empty, is unlinked. So now you cannot use this account to log in and control the device. You can see no device. And also you can use this account. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. And no device, no any device, just like no any device. So this is unlink. Okay, this is how to show you device for different mobile phone. Okay, thanks for watching.